Here we are at the GT Malvern's Classic during the G-Technic Retro Bike Show and Shine. And we have maybe my favourite thing that I've seen today. We're here with Jamie from Mountain Mania Cycles, and it is his machine, so I will let him go through it because, wow.
So it's a 1991 GT Xi-Xang bimetal. They made about 10, maybe 15 of them. It was a single year only, 1991. First year, 1989, GT came out with the Philip Brace steel frame set. And in 1990 followed with the titanium frame. And in 91 they wanted to come out with something more affordable. So they developed the bimetal frame, which is a tie frame bolted with a steel rear end. This particular one was found in a garage sale last year in Northern California. And it's a pretty special one. There's no real history on it, there's no frame numbers on it. It's the only one known to have a yellow back end from the factory, because they were all black as standard in all the catalogues, etc. And there's a couple of unique features on it, on the flip-flop stem and the down tube cable guide, which is slightly different, slightly unusual from anything else they produced at the time. So it's possibly a prototype, it's possibly one that's made for a high-end member of staff. We don't really know, other than it was just found in a very sorry state.
And it's real rare.
It's very real. So the paintwork and the polishing was actually done by Enigma down in Brighton. And there's 12 hours of polishing on that front triangle.
Beautiful job there.
To give it that mirror vision. Not something I can do, that's a professional.
I love the paste triple triangle.
Yeah.
It just keeps the sort of GT design aesthetic, but in a new way. It's cool. It's really cool.
It was a bit of a labour of love, because once it started coming together, it kind of really had to have that extra detail, that extra mile. The fork actually came from Clive Gosling. That was the fork that he had on his MBUK cover photo in '93, I think. So it's it just came together really nicely, and it had to be done right.
Yeah.
Just to do it justice.
Yeah, it's an amazing thing. Probably my favourite thing I've seen today, I think.
The amount of people that have come over and said, my mate said, I'm going to come and have a look at it. I've seen it.
So they're original WTV grease guard hubs.
So it's a full Suntour XC Pro Group set. So WTV licensed them the grease guard technology, even down to the bottom bracket, which if you look at the end of the axle end cap, you purge the grease, it goes through the axle, there's a hole in the axle where it comes out behind the bearings.
Mega.
So it was just made properly. It was just done right.
How about making some more serviceable stuff today, bike industry? How about that? It should be real nice.